Bêl gan John Owen. Owen yn torri tu fewn, mlaen at Steph Davies, mae'n rhediad deallus gan Davies, mae e'n croesi fewn ar Owen! O, dyna chi gyfle gorau'r gêm hyd yma, wedi 10 munud o chwarae, a cyd chwarae gwych rhwng John Owen a Steph Davies. Billy Kirkman ar yr ongl. Mewn mae'n dod. Harry Owen! A mae'r gol yn cael ei sgorio! Ac Owen Taylor yn rhwydo i gol gynta yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru dros Aberystwyth. Davies yn ceisio am hanner cyfle i groesi. Ffigiad da, bas ymlaen. Yr ergyd yn cael ei harbyn yn dda. Cion Raffel, oedd yr ergyd tro dde a Dave Jones yn arbed yn wych. Dave Jones yn mynd yn hir, chwilio am Steph Davies, mae'n cael ei giro yn yr awyr. Harry Owen sy'n camu mewn yn ceisio troi am ddiffyn. A mae Pennac wedi gwneud camgymeriad. O, mae'n olawio fan'na dros bosib. A mae'n mynd i fod yn gic o'r sbortyn. A mae'n mynd i fod yn garden coch. Dos bosib fan hyn. Ashley Evans yn cael ei alw draw. Ac Evans sy'n gweld coch yn ogystal. Wel. Jack Thorne, y capten, yn arwain drwy y siampl. Mae Aberystwyth ar y blaen o 2-0 yma ym Penybont. Henry Jones dros y gic rydd, 20 munud yn weddill. Chwilio am rediad Harling ar draws, a'r peniad gan Bosch. A mae'n cael ei chasglu gan Dave Jones. Walsh, peniad ddeallus at Cadwaladr. At Lewis, mae Taylor yn grir. Taylor! Owen Taylor! O, heibio'r postyn gan Owen Taylor. Tackle dda gan Kirkman. Gorfodi Reynolds am nôl, a mae Kirkman yn dwy'n y bêl. A cyfle fan hyn i Aberystwyth i dorri. Iwan Lewis, mae'n 4 yn erbyn 3. Lewis! Yn dewis y bas at Darlington! O, arbediad da, chwarae teg gan Alex Pennac. Digwyddiad ola'r 90. Mae Aberystwyth yn ennill am yr eildro yn unig yn yr uwch gyngrau'r y tymor yma. Penybont ar rhediad difrifol yn colli i 4th gêm o'r bron.
Anthony, many congratulations. A second win of the season for you, both on the road, and a first ever win here at Penybont in the Welsh Prem.
Yeah, it was really pleasing. I think we had a chance to play tonight before the teams play tomorrow, so we knew there were 1 or 2 out, 1 or 2 suspended, but that didn't make a difference. We've got to go out and perform, and we performed well over games week after week for 45, 60 minutes, but tonight was a 90-minute performance. I said after the game, probably the one thing was we were a bit wasteful towards the end, but they showed maturity, they showed the willingness, the desire, and we just need to turn our home form into this kind of away form as well now.
Rhys, 2 elementary defensive errors, the second leading to the penalty and the sending off, have cost you dearly again tonight.
Yeah, we're certainly in a bad moment. We've conceded 2 poor goals tonight, and obviously that was compounded then by the red card. 2-0 down against any team and down to 10 men is always going to be tough. So yeah, we're in a bad moment, there's no question about that.
Injuries and suspensions have also decimated your first 11, but did you expect better from those that took the field this evening?
I did in the first half, and they expect better from themselves. So, you know, we're in it together, and I expected better from them, and they expected better from themselves. But I'm almost buoyed as well by the reaction that we put in. We didn't fall apart. We didn't sort of not stick together, for want of a better phrase. And the boys gave everything to the end, putting their bodies on the line, just trying to fight, even just to win the half. So I'm gutted with the performance first half, but I am buoyed by the fact that we are in there trying to stick together, and we're going to get through we've got too much quality not to get through what is a bad moment for us.
Perfformiad arbennig gan y tîm heno.
Diolch yn fawr ti Mike, o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n heiddi ennill ar nath ni controlio'r game trwy'r 90. Dwi'n gwybod nath nhw lawr i 10 yn weddol gynnar, ond yn y gorffennol da ni wedi bod ffindio fo reit anodd yn erbyn 10, ond dwi'n meddwl heddiw nath ni manager'r game.
a sgorio'r gol gyntaf, dyna beth o'n i'n teimlo oedd yn allweddol i Aber heno.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl mae hynna wedi bod yn rhywbeth da ni wedi bod yn methu am ran mawr o'r tymor. Mae wastad pan ti'n sgorio'r gol gyntaf, mae'n setlo ti lawr ac yn gadael ti adeiladu fewn i'r gêm, a dwi'n meddwl dyna beth nath ddigwydd heno.